Magandang buhay, Atomians! If you are a proud Atomian, please clap your hands. Okay, ngayong hapon, I'm sure we all miss the Manila Success Academy kasi last May wala po tayong Success Academy. And so I hope our excitement will sustain us all throughout this afternoon. Maybe some of us are familiar with this poetry, Sonnet 43 by Elizabeth Browning. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. And on he goes, counting the ways. But this afternoon, I will help you to count the ways how you will get to love Atomy. Okay, so ngayon, I will do my best to help the old-time members to have that falling in love again feeling, and for the new members to have their newfound love. And so, let's start to count the ways. I will be presenting to you Atomy profile for the year 2024. I am Diamond Master Christian Santo Domingo from Baguio Cap Center. Everything that we have here in Atomy started with a dream by no other than our dreamer, our Mongsang, Chairman Park Han-gil. Established in 2009 in Korea, it seemed like impossible to become reality. Kasi ang una po nating headquarters ay isang old minivan ng ating chairman. Pero nag-move up tayo sa isang rented space na ang ating signage lang po yung A4 na may nakasulat na Atomy. And then, now, makikita natin ang ating beautiful. Hindi po ito rented. It is owned. Yung property and building, it is now owned by Atomy. So yan po ang isang napakalaking pagbabago sa buhay ni Atomy in just 15 years. If you can imagine kung tao si Atomy, 15 years old natin ngayon, nagbibinata, nagdalaga. Grade 9 lang po siya. Pero makikita ninyo sa mga susunod na slides kung gaano kalaki ang pagbabago sa buhay ni Atomy. And in Korean language, ang ibig sabihin po ng Han is one, Gil is road. Han-gil make us one road to success. Kaya sana, samahan natin siya sa pagbuo nitong pangarap niya. And then, itong Atomy Park, he jokingly said na ipinangalan daw niya yung Atomy Park sa surname niya na Park. Pero it's actually a park for everyone. The Atomy Park will welcome us sa ating mga tours in Korea. Now, we experience the age of uncertainty. Lahat ba tayo? Nararamdaman ba natin na secured talaga ang buhay natin ngayon or in our future? There is rapid changing times. This was brought about by COVID-19. Doon biglang nagbago ang buhay ng ating mundo. Ang nakikita natin ngayon, halos umiikot na lang ang buhay natin sa online. Di po ba? And AI is slowly taking place, the human task, and many more. And then we have uncertain economic environment. Maraming nawawalan ng trabaho. And then inflation is just around the corner. Lagi-lagi natin yang nakaambayan sa atin. And then we have insecure retirement years, and that is a bitter reality. Sino sa atin ang magsasabi ngayon na nakahanda ang pension nila? Siguro kung may trabaho kayo, meron kayong pension. Pero pag nakuha nyo yung pension ninyo after long years, that is just enough for your basic needs. Di po ba? At sino, lahat po ba tayo may trabaho for our retirement? Yung iba, wala silang trabaho. So how can we be certain of our future? So sa mga pagbabagong ito, we need to adopt a system that can generate a steady and stable income. And so, bakit daw network system ang makakatulong sa atin? Is it really a reliable system for everyone? Yung mga nasa age brackets na yan, 20s, 40s, and 60s, they are employed but they still need to have a second job to sustain them. At kung minsan, ang sasabihin nila, Pag 20s, bata pa ako para sa network marketing. 40s and 50s, sasabay pa sa midlife crisis ko. Pag 60s naman, sasabihin nila, matanda na ako. But the answer is yes, because you will be working with different people with you in your system here in Atomy. And so, for a system to generate steady income, it should be systematic. At malalaman natin yan mamaya kung paano maging systematic ang isang network system. And then, it should be competitive. At yan ang isa sa ipinagyayabang natin dito sa Atomy because we have the great products here in Atomy. Pwede kasi sabihin natin network system din naman ang pyramiding. Di po ba? Ipapasok mo yung pera mo, tapos ang Pilipino kung minsan, ipapasok nila ang pera nila ngayon, bukas dapat ginto na yan. Pero dito sa Atomy, we have the edge because we have the physical products that they can all enjoy. And so, the big question is, what is Atomy as a business? Now we will start counting the ways. It is a network marketing. Yung iba kasi, napaso na sila sa MLM. Kaya, maaaring may nagsabi sa inyo dyan, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. Ang sarap sabihin sa kanila na sana nasalubong kita ng mas maaga para na-recruit kita sa Atomy nang di ka na napaso sa iba. Di po ba? Okay, so if you can see the graph here, this is the growing trend of the total number of salespeople, the total sales of Korean market, and year-over-year growth of MLM. Korea pa lang yan. How can you imagine that in the global picture? Tumataas ang trend ng MLM. Kaya hindi tayo napag-iwanan dito sa Atomy. And what beautiful here in Atomy, we are a network of dreamers and builders. Please take note. The word network. Do not just build a net. Yung register ka ng register ng maraming members, pero yung net mo nakasampay sa dingding, hindi nagtatrabaho. Let your net work for you. You have to make a working net in this system. Okay, so Atomy is a platform business. Ano ang pagkakaiba ni Atomy sa ibang businesses? Traditionally, nag-start tayo sa linear flow ng isang business. Ang panggagalingan ng produkto from the producer, pupunta sa outlet, pupunta sa warehouses, and then the consumers. Straight lang yan. So kung makikita nyo sa graph na yan, sa product company, make one, sell one. Okay? Pero kung makikita nyo doon sa taas, platform, the platform connects the people. Okay? There would be an exchange of values between manufacturers and customers. What are the values? Content, money, services, goods. Ang platform, hindi sila gumagawa ng sarili nilang produkto. And we can see that in Shopee and Lazada. Di po ba? Hindi sila gumagawa ng produkto nila. They are connecting sellers or manufacturers to many customers. At ganon din si Atomy. Walang produkto si Atomy, but we are connecting a lot of manufacturers to many customers, and that is globally. Sa isang business, that is very cost-effective, and that would ensure high sales. So dito pa lang po, in tayo. Magpasalamat tayo na nung pumasok tayo sa Atomy, online platform business na siya. Okay? Next one is a system business. Please take note doon sa small box sa baba that a system business can generate steady income through an established system. Okay? So ano yung mga examples natin dyan? We have the rentals, mga copyright, yung mga YouTube vlogs natin. And then, of course, our MLM. Pag sinabi nating established, bibili ka ng lupa. Tapos, hihintayin mo na yung lupa mismo ang gagawa ng kikitain mo? No. Pwede mong gawing farm yan. O magpatayo ka ng building mo para kumita ka ng system na business. Kaya dito sa Atomy, hindi yung magme-member ka, tapos aasahan mo kinabukasan, yayaman ka. You have to establish your system here in Atomy. Habang nananaginip ka dito sa Pilipinas, bumibili ang members mo abroad, kikita tayo. the system will work for us if we start to take the challenge with the system. So those are the 3 points for Atomy business. They say life is about choices. Sa lahat ng choices na nakikita ninyo sa harapan ninyo ngayon, bakit si Atomy? Why Atomy? The first one, premier company. When we say premier, first, leading. Why is Atomy leading? I'll show you. We have products that meet customer satisfaction. Ito ang pinakaunang vision ni Atomy para sa atin. That our products should meet the customer satisfaction. Dahil kung satisfied ang member or ang consumer sa produkto, napakadali na pong ikwento yan. And that would go to the next level of customer's success. That is the aim of Atomy because the Atomy success means the customer's success. Okay? Next one would be our global growth. We are growing together globally. Pinagbuklod tayo ni Atomy. At makikita natin dito, this may be just simple figures. Again, pinapaalala ko, 15 years old lang si Atomy, pero makikita ninyo ang global picture natin. In 2021, nakuha na natin yung 300 million Export Tower Award. Noong 2021 po yan. After 2 years, this is a data for 2023, from 300 million now, 844 million US dollars. Okay, so that makes almost more than half of the sales na 1.6 sa global picture. Almost half pa rin po, which is 40 plus, ang kino-cover ng Korean market. And then, makikita din natin that Atomy is going beyond the domestic borders. We are expanding with 15 million global members. And Atomy is a hub that connects the different parts of the world. We have now 27 regional branches. At nung una, nakita natin sa video kanina, ang naunang bansa na tumanggap kay Atomy is 2010. Kung scam si Atomy nung una pa lang, hindi yang tatanggapin ng US. Okay, so when we opened the 27th branch, which is Europe, under Europe, 28 countries na agad. And then we are expanding fast because you can already register 41 countries under the global registration. So all in all, we have 91 country registrations. Yung ID mo, 91 countries ang hawak. Yan. Okay, and Atomy, rank 10 sa top global companies. At kanina lang, one of my members from Kalinga showed to me yung business for homes. Ma'am Yolanda is an accountant by profession at pinasok niya si Atomy nung binuksan niya to. Okay? This is the trend from 10 years. This is Amway sa left, sa right ninyo si Atomy. Bumaba man siya nung pandemic, bumalik ulit siya. So makikita ninyo yung pagbabago sa sales revenues ni Atomy. Now, are you prouder as Atomians? Yes. Okay. Ang maganda pa kay Atomy, hindi lang po produkto na magaganda galing sa Korea ang na-enjoy natin. Atomy is using the global sourcing, global sales, so we can experience the best of the best from different countries. Ganyan kabait si Atomy. Now we have 100 million or more US dollars for our global prestige products. So ganon kabait si Atomy na hindi lang dahil Korean market ako, Korean products lang. No, they get the best from other places for everyone. Okay, this company is also leading. Why? Because they pursue the ESG management. Ano nga ba ang ESG? So makikita nyo yung listahan dyan. They care for the environment, social, and governance. Okay, so makikita natin kung paano magtrabaho si Atomy sa mga susunod na slides. First, for the environment. We have the Blue Marine Project. We are lessening the use of plastic in our packagings. So yan ang tulong din natin sa mundo. And then for the social and governance, eto na. Makikita natin that for 3 consecutive years, the first in MLM industry na binigyan tayo ng CCM certification. And then we are also given the grand prize at First Consumer Rights Award and the Recognition Award for Consumer-Centered Management Excellence Award. So hindi pa ba tayo magiging proud na bibigyan nila tayo ng ganyan, that we really care about our consumers. Next, we have here, second tayo in the whole of Asia, the best place to work. Bibigyan ka ba ng award na ganito kung hindi nila nakikita na masaya ang mga tao na nagtatrabaho kasama si Atomy? And the social world, napansin din nila si Atomy nung na-feature tayo sa big business magazines and TV. Now, proud na proud tayo na makita na yung taong namumuno sa atin dito sa kumpanyang ito ay kasama dyan. World Federation for Direct Selling Association, and he is the most admired CEO in Korea. 3 years running ang nakalagay dyan, pero inopen ko yung ating site, 4 years running na po. So hindi tayo mawawala because our shepherd here is really a good man. Next one, next point, sa products na tayo. Gaano natin pinagkakatiwalaan ang produkto natin dito sa Atomy? First, very generous si Atomy sa return and refund policy. But look at the graph. Among the top 10, tayo yung may pinakamababang return rate which is close to 0 or 0.21%. At kasama sa return rate na to, yung mga ibinabalik dahil nagkamali lang sa pag-order. Yung shampoo dapat yung binili niya pero conditioner yung napindot niya. Or namali yung size, ibinalik sa kumpanya, kasama po dito. So that is really a very low figure for return rate. Okay? And Atomy Hemohim ranked first in Korea and the export sa global as a health functional food. With that, we have 1.6 billion US dollars first half of 2022 pa lang yan. And then, we are given patents to 22 countries. Malalaking bansa, kaya huwag kayong matakot na magkwento about Atomy. Dahil hindi tatanggapin ng malalaking bansa ang Hemohim kung may problema si Hemohim. Okay, next, before I will discuss the contents of this, I will give you a short trivia kung sino ba si King Sejong. King Sejong is really supporting economic, cultural, and scientific researches during his reign. And he invented Hangul, yung Korean alphabet. And then, Jang Yongshil was a famous scientist during his reign. So yung dalawang awards na nakapangalan dito sa dalawang taong to are the best in science and technology researches. So, sino ang mag-aakala na sa cosmetics industry maibibigay nung 2021 ang award na King Sejong Award? We are quadruple crown awardee. Okay, pangpaganda yan, pero 4 ang award natin dyan. And so, aside from that, we have the IR52 from Jang Yongshil. Naririnig natin to sa The Fame, di po ba, sa Essence natin. Pero dito sa ating set, yung buong 6 na products ng set na to, nabigyan nung Jang Yongshil Award. And then we have the New Product Award and the World Class Award. So, we are also number 1 in sales in the cosmetics industry. Kaya lahat na tayo gumamit nitong ating Cell Active set. Next one is our Atomy toothbrush. They call this the 1-second toothbrush. Ako din na-curious ako, totoo ba na 1 second merong na i-release? So because we were able to sell 37 million units na kung i-compute mo, kasi nga sabi ko na-curious ako, 60 seconds times 60 in 1 hour, and then times 24 times 365.25, di ba yung 1/4 day? At ang lumabas is 31,557,600 units. Mas mababa pa pala doon sa 37. Kaya deserve natin na tawaging 1-second toothbrush ang toothbrush ni Atomy. Okay, so those 3 products are just representatives of the 100 products that we are enjoying here in Atomy. These are all well-curated and chosen by Atomy para ma-enjoy ng lahat ng members ni Atomy. Next is the culture. Ang kultura ng isang lugar ang nagbibigay ng identity nito. At ang kultura natin dito sa Atomy ang magbibigay ng identity natin. Are we living by this culture? Ang kulturang ito ang nagbibigay kulay sa ating kumpanya. This culture envelopes and binds everything and everyone in the system. Silipin natin kung ano yung 3 kultura na umiikot sa sistema ni Atomy. The first one is observing principles. Yung integrity ni Atomy, we always follow the principles that we are teaching here in the system. Next one would be the mutual growth. Atomy aims to grow together with their partnering manufacturers and with the members. Hindi lang yung Atomy na kumpanya ang nagiging successful. Lahat na nagiging parte ng kumpanya na to magiging successful. Ang una is the cash payment after a week ng delivery. Sa paraan na to, mapapaikot nila agad yung funds nila. Yung isa naman, they give financial support dun sa mga mag-i-invest ng facilities nila. O kaya yung magbibigay sila ng pera, magpapahiram sila ng pera kung kailangan ng manufacturer nila na nagustuhan ni Atomy. Ito yung paraan para hindi na sila mag-loan with interest. Dahil hindi na natin aabutin yung absolute price kung ipinatong nila ang interest sa presyo natin. Okay, so we have also 1 partner per product. This is our way na yung iisang produkto, iisang manufacturer lang sa mismong system natin para hindi sila magko-compete within Atomy. I-try nyo sa ibang platform. I-type nyo ang toothbrush, maraming lalabas na toothbrush. Dito sa Atomy, yung 3 sizes lang ng toothbrush ang lalabas. Okay, and then we have stable networks to cater to all the 15 million members globally. At closely monitored po ang presyo natin. Kaya nagpapasalamat tayo sa Atomy Philippines after 8 long years. Ngayong 2004 pa lang tayo nagtaas ng presyo sa ating mga produkto. Next would be the culture of sharing. Ito yung nakakataba ng puso. Kung makikita nyo dyan sa listahan, yung LG is one of the giant companies in Korea. Pero bakit nasa number 2 lang siya? Tayo, we have the biggest heart naman in the business because we contributed the biggest. Okay? Tayo ang nakapag-donate ng pinakamalaki which is 2.04%. 1.25 lang ang LG. Okay? Next one. This is Atomy success system which is the 4th point. Ito yung sikreto kung paano tayo magiging successful dito. Sikreto nga ba yan? No. The success system of Atomy is the education system. Kung gusto ninyong mapabilis ang sistema ninyo or success ninyo dito sa Atomy, please, maging sincere kayo at maging masigasig kayo na i-connecta ang members ninyo sa education system. Like our Success Academy, Global Seminar, Center Seminar, and One-Day Seminar. Huwag niyong asahan lumago ang business ninyo kung hindi niyo i-establish ito sa mga members ninyo. And Atomy made it na hindi magiging problema ang space and time when it comes to this system dahil we do not just go offline, we also go online. Next is our marketing plan. If you see our marketing plan, it's just simple. It's doable. And the beautiful features of this marketing plan, we will get to know and appreciate more in our next lecture for marketing plan. Okay? Next one is the corporate philosophy. Atomy sees that honesty and goodness is the best strategy for growth in the system. Para pagkatiwalaan ang isang kumpanya, dapat honest ka. you should always share goodness. And we have the management objectives. Kung babasahin nyo yung tatlong yan, yan lang po yung summary nung pinag-usapan natin kanina. I will talk about the founding principles. You have to remember this. This is our Atomy core. Ito yung core natin. Okay? Nung una nating narinig na ito, this is being, speed, and balance. But they change it to continuity. And I like it better with this. When we say being, ang pangarap ni Atomy, nagplano siya for 100 years. Dahil tinitignan niya as a social obligation na dapat stable ang kumpanya para sa lahat ng tao na umaasa sa Atomy. Okay, sa mga manufacturers, sa ating mga members, dapat stable, hindi yung bubuksan mo ngayon after 3 years, sarado na yung company. Ito, 100 years ang pinaplano niya para sa atin. So it should really be stable for a better society with the good relationships that we build here. And velocity. Yung speed kasi, bilis lang yan. Pero yung velocity, yung sudden change na mas bibilis ka in a shorter period of time. And with that, you should have direction. Hindi yung working hard ka ng working hard, wala ka namang nararating. Dapat meron kang acceleration at meron kang direction. That's why the highlight of every seminar of Atomy is vision. Dahil ito ang nagbibigay ng direction natin kung saan nga ba ang dulo na pupuntahan natin. At ginagawa lahat ng ating sistema ang kaya nilang gawin para tulungan tayo sa velocity na to. They are disseminating information quickly through the success system, which is education. And then, mabilis yung pagbukas ng ibang branches natin globally. So, tinutulungan tayo mismo ng ating kumpanya na marating yung success na yan. Now, we have to be stable, we have to be fast. Di po ba? Pero there should be balance. There should be equity, equal distribution of value and wealth among the partners of Atomy. So those are the founding principles of Atomy. The company motto. Our company dreamt that this motto will be upheld by every member of this company. You have to cherish the spirit of every member na ipapasok mo sa sistema. Natutulungan mo silang magiging successful if they take the challenge in the system. Your partner is your vision here in Atomy. You have to make them successful. And then, we have to create the vision. You should have that vivid image in your mind para maabot nyo ito. And then, to follow the faith, yung hindi pa natin nakikita, pero naniniwala tayo na darating yan kasi nakikita naman natin dito sa mga leaders natin na may patutunguhan yung ginagawa natin dito sa Atomy. And this faith will have this power to move us closer to our divine creator and to the mission that we are supposed to do in life. Next, serve in humility. We are encouraged that even in the stage of success, we should be grounded. Why? To keep the respect of everyone around us. Na sana we will always stay humble in serving the people around us. Now, the first dream that built this company, I hope every one of us will cherish that. And it will be easy to share Atomy if we love. We have to share this dream by loving others. And when we do this, our company is encouraging us to go 100. I'm sorry. Please connect intentionally, sincerely, passionately, lahat ng taong makikilala ninyo at kilala ninyo sa sistema ni Atomy. Magkakasama tayo na lalabas para tulungan ang mga tao sa paligid natin para isama sila dito sa system ni Atomy. And as we go through the next lectures here in our seminar this afternoon, sana makinig tayo. Always have that teachable heart. Hindi yung alam ko na yan, hindi na ako makikinig. Because there will always be something new that we will learn today or a reminder that we need today. Because in Proverbs 19:20, it says, listen to advice and accept instruction, that you may gain wisdom in the future. Let us learn together and gain wisdom together. At bumalik tayo sa question ni Elizabeth Browning. How do I love thee? Isasagot natin, in so many ways, with Atomy. But don't just love. Dream big, plan well, work hard, choose to intentionally succeed with Atomy. I hope you will always stand proud as Atomians. God bless us all.